everyone, good morning. So in this video I'm just going to make some vlog because I'm wondering since I'm arrived here, I only make one video. I'm going to Sosial and that video not yet editing. So in this video also I'm just want to try to speak English because all of my friends here speak English and they doesn't understand about bahasa. So I'm just trying as I can. And today it's Tuesday. I changed my off day from Saturday to Tuesday because some reason. Today's plan I'm going to Cornet, but I'm trying to make aesthetic video for today because I totally forgot how to make aesthetic video that I was make it. So I'm just woke up by 8 o'clock. Oh yeah, I'm taking video in bathroom because we are sharing room, like one room is 3 person, so one of my friends still sleep. I don't want to make noise there. See, my lips too dry since I'm come here, but I buy new lip balm yesterday. So for brunch, I just wanted to make oat. Where is my peanut butter? Done. I'm just going to eat. This one is oat with peanut and honey. It's good and healthy rather than I make some Maggi. Maggi is like noodles. Yes. Guys, hari ini aku oh my god, I forgot to use this. I'm still using my glasses because at my workplace I always use soft lens. Why I'm using clear glasses? Actually, I don't really like wearing glasses. Is it a correct pronounce glasses? Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm so sorry if my English not really good, but I'm trying to speak English because I want to my friend not Indonesian nationality understand what I say. Okay, so I'm just going to quick makeup, quick skincare, and I will be right back. Maybe I'm just going to curl my hair. Ta-da! Done. So now I'm just doing my lip. Yesterday I was going. There's no good tenses. Not with was. I went to Sephora. Okay, that's the great one. I went to Sephora and I buy this one, lip plumber. I have planned to make a filler my lip, but I'm scared if my mom will be mad to me. I never tried before, but for sure I will review this plumber. I got one plumber and mascara, and next this one. I love this brand so much, but in Indonesia Sephora don't sell it. Yesterday I saw this one and directly bought that one. This translucent powder only for my under eye because I know my under eye is a little bit dark by birth. I don't know, when I was 5 years old I saw my eye bag, it's totally dark. Last but not least is lip balm. I went to Sephora, it's because I want to buy some lip balm. The lip balm is so lip. They have color. That's it. By the way, when I was in Bali, every month I went to Sephora, so I have black member. I want to use my black member. They said they cannot use it because it's Indonesia member. Why, Sephora? You are international makeup store. Please This is Eka bag, my friend, so I borrowed. I'm just take my phone, my lip balm, my AirPod, lotion, lip tint, and then my charger, key, and wallet. Oh, I will show you money of Qatar. In Bali, I never take cash, but here, I don't know, there is no e-money. In Qatar, they have until 500, and this is money look like 10 real, 1 real. And also here money is so big. And also I will put my camera here. I just want to show you my outfit of the day, and I forgot I don't have like standing mirror, so I'm just doing like this. Let's go. I'm just waiting for my bus. We will use public transport, metro and bus. Let's go, guys. I'm going to top up my metro card because my metro card is finished. The balance only 10 real. There is no 10 reals?
No ma'am, no, minimum is 20 real.
It was 10 real minimum.
Before it was 5 real ma'am.
Okay.
You want receipt?
No. Shukran. I'm just top up my metro card. It was minimum 5 real, but now it's 20 real. It's so expensive because of FIFA World Cup. Thank you. I'm here. I'm Golina, so I'm just stop going to Gold One. Oh my god, there's a lot of people. I'm going to another side. Why is a lot? Oh my god. Okay, here. So I'm just going to change my train to Gold Line. This is so many people. Hi! Dia punya vlog, madam tahu nggak?
Oh, really?
Yeah. Welcome. But all of like Mr. Josh, everyone told me to use English. So
Oh, so
starting
everyone
now.
will be understand.
Yeah.
Yeah, but how about the Indonesian?
I will put some translate.
Hier, wacher قلت. Gate car bus. Hey, look at it.
Where are you from?
Sorry?
Where are you from?
Indonesia. Bali, you know?
Bali. I go to Bali, Malaysia.
Ah, near.
Singapore.
Near.
Near?
Singapore, Malaysia, near. Oh my god, I'm so shy. Everyone is looking to me. Tapi I'm going to use bahasa, so everyone doesn't understand what I say. Sekarang aku udah di dalam base-nya. Menunggu keberangkatan. Hi, I'm just arrived home and I'm so sleepy. I will change my clothes, clean my makeup, and then directly sleep because my body is so tired because I walked too far. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you like it and enjoy every single of my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below what's my next video for like some idea. See you next video, guys. Bye bye.